Hi guys, I'm so excited guys. In this wonderful video I'm going to be showing you guys a wonderful website whereby you can get a whole lot of return on your investment. They have a whole lot of investment. You can invest in stocks, in real estate, in fixed income, in build wealth, and I'll show you guys all the secrets here in this video. And they are handled by 100%, managed by experts. So experts is doing the investment for you and it's working. A lot of people have been making money from this wonderful platform. I'll be showing you guys all the secrets in this video. So without further ado guys, let's dive right into it. Okay, welcome back guys. I'm Chido original. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I basically teach you guys anything and everything you need to know about making money online, investing your money and making your money work for you. So you might consider hitting the red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos like this. So in today's topic I'll be telling you guys about RiseVest and I'll show you guys how it works. So this link will be on the description box below so you can easily access it. So RiseVest is an app or website that actually once you register you can be able to start investing with your physical cash. So once you register you link your bank or your debit card and you start investing. You can buy stocks, you can buy real estate, you can buy fixed income, or you can buy built wealth. So I'll show you guys all this in this video so you can see their testimonials as well. So you can see some companies, major companies that I've worked with, and it's available on Google Play and Apple Store, so you can easily download it no matter the device you are using. You can visit their social media handles right here to know more about them. So that's how it works guys. So that's how it works. So real quick I'll dive into my mobile phone. So I'll download the app and show you guys how to register. And not only how to register, I'll show you guys wonderful ways to invest and get the best ROI, that's return on your investment, and make the whole profit from this wonderful website. That's the RiseVest website. And one wonderful thing about this website is that you are investing in dollars, not naira. You are using dollars and the exchange rate is very great. The ROI is very great. I'll show you guys all the secrets in this video. So let's dive into my mobile phone right now. So once you get to your app store or Google Play, come to the search bar and type for RiseVest. So this is RiseVest. So click on search. It will search those apps and get the app. So this is RiseVest app. So just click on get and it will download the app to your mobile device. So I'll show you guys how to register, the steps to follow, and also how to invest. So this is it, it's downloading, and once it's done downloading I'll show you guys what to do. Okay, once the app is done downloading, just click on the open app. It will open the app, then you can start registering. I'll show you guys the steps to follow. So put your legal first name, so click on sign up and put your email address. So for the purpose of this story I'm going to use Chido original 247. So this is my official contact in case you want to contact me for business purposes, so we can transact at gmail.com. So this is it. So click the password, minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase and 1 unique character. So let me use the one I want to use for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is the one I want to use. So after that, click on sign up. Okay, so this is the next page that you're going to see. They'll ask you for your legal first name. So I'll put Chido for the purpose of this. Then I'll ask you for your legal last name. I'll put original, but put your legal first name as your own implies and as it appears on your national ID card. So what should we call you? So you can put the nickname that you want them to call you. I'll call Chido 444, right? So here's where they ask you for your phone number. Just put a phone number. So let me use this for the purpose of this tutorial. This is a random phone number. So date of birth, you add your date of birth here. So let me add a random date of birth. So this is the date of birth I want to use. So optional referral code. So use the referral code below on the description box. If you use the code you get a bonus while registering. So that's the bonus tip that you get. So use the referral code below. So after that, you click on continue and it will load up the next. The next step is to create a 6-digit pin. So I'll just create a simple 6-digit pin. I might just use this, but use a unique digit pin that you can remember. This is the secret digit pin that you'll be using for your transactions, so it's more like your password. So after that, click on OK. So allow this to send you notifications, and here you have it. Your RiseVest account is created. So you quickly verify your email address that they will send to you. Okay, there you have it. Your RiseVest account is created. The next thing you want to do is to verify your email address. And after verifying your email address, you can come here and click on your profile. You can add a profile picture here. If you click on it, you choose the profile picture you want to use, and you can add your next of kin as well here. So after that, scroll down, you can see your to-do list. So you can start a BuildWorks plan. If you click on it, you can add money, how to add your debit card and also your bank account. So you can add it, so you can put money on RiseVest and start investing. Now another thing you want to do is to verify your identity. I will encourage you guys to do all these things because this has to do with your money, and if you are investing a whole lot of money here, you have to secure the account. So by verifying your email address first, putting your BVN second, and uploading an ID, government issued ID that is verified, like voter's card, national ID or passport or driver's license as well. So once you do all these 3 things, you can come back and start investing, which I'll show you guys. If you want to add money, come here, click on add money. You can add through bank transfer, through debit card, through US debit card, through crypto. So they accept cryptocurrency as well. So there's no excuse or any reason why you can't add money here on RiseVest. So real quick, I'll show you guys how to invest. So after doing all this, I'll show you guys how to. Let me show you guys how to invest. Come to the down buttons. You will see home page. You see portfolio. Portfolio is where you can see all your earnings, your assets, your net worth, and the likes. Then come to plans. Here is where you can invest. So basically, you have 3 basic plans: the US stocks, real estate, fixed income, and you can see the risks. One has high risk, the other one medium risk, and fixed income has a low risk. So depending on the one you want to invest in and how much risks you want to take, you can be able to know the particular plan you want to go for. For example, if you go to US stocks, you can see Tesla, Shopify, Amazon. So these are some basic stocks or US stocks that you can invest in. Likewise, real estate, you can also invest in real estate. But real quick, I want to show you guys how to invest in fixed income. Come to fixed income and click on get started. They will ask you for your plan name. So quickly put a plan name. Let me say this is fixed money. So after that, click on continue. Then here is where you select the duration, and each duration has a different ROI. So this is 3 months has a 3% ROI, 6 months has a 6% ROI, 12 months has 12% ROI. So let's say for instance you put 100,000 here. At the end of 12 months you will get 12% of 100,000. So that's what you are going to be getting. That's like 12,000 additional income for you. So depending on how much you want to invest, if you add 1 million here, you get like 120,000 naira. So that's just basically what it is. So click on continue, and trust me, some banks don't offer this type of ROI on a fixed deposit. So this is wonderful. So here is where you select the how much you want to invest monthly. So you can add in naira or in dollar, so it will convert it. Let me say this is 100,000. I want to invest this. So this is what I want to invest, and I click on continue. Here is where I put image for my plan. I can just come here and select a random image I want to use. So if I use any image, let me just pick this logo. So this is the image I want to use for my investment also. So click on continue. After this, so you can see your summary. This is the amount you are going to be getting. So this is your investment, the date you invested, how much they are deducting monthly, recurring every month. They will deduct this. and your total investment is here as well. And I'm showing you guys all this in dollars. One cool thing about RiseVest is because it's in dollars. Okay, so that's basically how you invest on fixed income. Likewise, stock and real estate. So they ask you to put your debit card information or bank information so you can fund the investment plan. So if you click on advice, you can get advice from specialists, from experts. You can get advice from them. So this is some where you can start free section and they will advise you on the best investment platform you can go for. Come to the more tabs, you can